Hello, I'm Abigail from beautiful South Africa. Do you want to improve your English conversation, expand your vocabulary, or simply build confidence in a safe, relaxed environment? If so, this is the place to be. I have 11 years of experience teaching, and I specialize in teaching beginner to intermediate students, both adults and children. I have a qualification in musical theatre, which means that I love using creativity, interesting topics, and engaging conversation to make lessons enjoyable and meaningful. Whether you want to learn English for everyday life, travel, or for personal growth, I am here to help you step by step. Book a free introductory lesson with me today, and we can start your English journey together.